Hey everybody, on today's video we are going to replace the oil sensor switch on the Allis Chalmers 6080, and pretty easy one. Well, we'll see, we haven't started yet. Should be an easy fix. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're going to replace this, and if you're wondering why are we going to replace this, it's because it's leaking. So one of the things that you want to check on your tractor on a somewhat regular basis, or if you notice that you're losing oil, check this oil sensor switch, because we've had a few of them now that we've had to replace. Now that could be that we use 40-year-old tractors a lot, and it just happens to be that they're all kind of wearing out at about the same time. But regardless, we've replaced a couple here in the last year or two. So get you in here a little bit where you can see. All right. Shed a little light. So sensor is right here where my finger is, and first thing we need to do is pull the wire off. So there that is. Kind of get that out of the way, and then alright, I couldn't help myself, so family and I, we stopped at Harbor Freight this weekend. And yeah, I did pick up the gold one. They had it on sale, and I had a coupon, and so it really wasn't that bad. Do I need a gold plated ratchet? No, but it was something kind of different, so I picked it up. So we'll use that today. If I can get it out of the case, but. You know, it's thin, nice little ratchet. And on this one, I'm going to use a swivel. And hopefully that will, because you kind of got to get down in there. So we'll put a swivel on it. And this is a Mac socket. So basically I got about, I got the Icon ratchet, a Cobalt swivel, a Crest tool extension. So non-denominational here. We're getting everybody involved. Let's see if we can get down on it. That's a little long. Try a shorter extension. Cats are here making noises. Can't tell if I'm on it. There we go. Okay, got it to loosen, I think. And it is good and oily. Didn't get it quite loose enough. We can get her on there, good. Straight, no extension. I don't think that's going to be enough to get in there though. No, it just doesn't want to. So it is in a fun spot. If you could come under there. Let's see if we can get it on it first. Got the injector pump lines and all sorts of fun stuff in the way here. And your exhaust manifold right there. So where it fits on the best is right on that exhaust manifold. But let me see if I can hit it with this extension and put the swivel right on it. I don't know. They certainly put that in a nice spot. Because you can't get the head of the ratchet on there either. Because you've got your exhaust manifold there. Let's just pull her back off. See if I can get it to line back on like this now. And it doesn't want to because then my swivel is hitting the exhaust manifold. I don't think I've got enough of a bite there. Ooh. I did get it to move some more. Well, that thing should be loose enough now. Yep, I can spin it. Get that socket off of there. This is fun. Get it out of there without dropping it. Let's see. Alright, and as you can see, she is coated and has been leaking. So that one needed to go. And we'll put the new one on there. Try and do it without dropping it. Whoa. I did drop it, but it didn't go all the way down. Yet. Alright, take both gloves off so I got plenty of feel here. Oop, almost. There we go. Got it started. Get this on again. Switch it over to on. Well, it's not always enjoyable to use a swivel. There are spots where you just definitely need to use them. And this is one of those spots. There we go. Okay, got her on there tight. And then all we have to do is reconnect the wire wherever that went. Should be right here. There it is. There we go. Okay, so I didn't get too dirty there, but new oil sending unit or sensor switch, whichever, however, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, got that on. Allis Chalmers 6080 and should be good to go. So, as always, thanks for watching and take care.